Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the complete process of setting up the MSRM US300 Wi-Fi Extender to enhance your home network's range and improve Wi-Fi coverage. Whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy, this step-by-step tutorial will make the setup process simple and hassle-free. Let's get started. Before we dive into the setup, let's take a moment to unbox the MSRM US300 Wi-Fi Extender and see what's inside. You'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and a power cable. This user-friendly, plug-and-play device is built to enhance and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal seamlessly. Start by plugging the MSRM US300 into a power outlet, preferably somewhere between your router and the area where you need better coverage. A good location is crucial for the best performance. Next, connect your smartphone, tablet, or computer to the MSRM US300 Wi-Fi network. This network should show up in your Wi-Fi settings as something like MSRM_XXXX. Once you're connected, open a web browser. Once connected, open a web browser and type 192.168.188.1 into the address bar. Press Enter, and this will direct you to the extender setup page. Here, you'll be able to configure the MSRM US300 to connect with your existing Wi-Fi network quickly and easily. You may be prompted to log in to the extender setup page. By default, both the username and password are set as admin. Simply enter these credentials to access the configuration interface, where you can customize and connect the extender to your existing Wi-Fi network. After logging in, you'll be presented with a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Locate and select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password, ensuring it matches the password of your main router. After entering your Wi-Fi credentials, click Save to initiate the connection process between the extender and your router. The extender will take a few moments to sync. Once the process is complete, the indicator light on the extender will turn solid, confirming a successful connection and ready-to-use status. With the setup complete, you can now relocate your extender to the ideal spot. For the best results, place it approximately halfway between your router and the area where you need improved Wi-Fi coverage. This positioning ensures a strong signal from your router while effectively extending. Finally, test your connection by ensuring your devices can now access the internet through the extended Wi-Fi network. Check for improved signal strength, faster speeds, and more reliable connectivity in areas that previously had poor coverage. This confirms that your extender is working effectively and enhancing your network performance. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support or guidance with any setup or troubleshooting needs. We're just a phone call away at 1-323-507-3713. And that's a wrap. You've successfully set up your MSRM US300 Wi-Fi extender and now enjoy a stronger, more reliable Wi-Fi connection throughout your home. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.